Hello everyone, welcome back to our Illuminate pages. Today we are delving into a powerful book that can transform your outlook on life and propel you towards success. Get ready to discover the magic of Attitude is Everything by Jeff Keller. Lesson 1: The Power of Attitude. In Attitude is Everything, Jeff Keller highlights the incredible power of attitude in shaping our lives. Our attitude determines our perspective, influencing how we interpret and respond to the world around us. Lesson 2: The 5 Life-Changing Principles. Keller introduces 5 life-changing principles that can revolutionize our attitudes and ultimately transform our life. Let's dive into each one. Principle 1: Change your attitude, change your life. The first principle is simple yet profound. Change your attitude, change your life. By adopting a positive mindset and choosing to focus on solutions rather than problems, we can drastically alter our outcomes. Principle 2: Take control of your life. Principle 2 reminds us that we are in control of our own destiny. Instead of blaming external circumstances, we must take responsibility for our actions and decisions, empowering ourselves to create the life we desire. Principle 3: Develop a positive self-image. Keller emphasizes the importance of nurturing a positive self-image by believing in ourselves and cultivating confidence. We unlock our full potential and attract opportunities for growth and success. Principle 4: Create your own success. Principle 4 encourages us to create your own success by setting clear goals, taking consistent actions, and persevering in the face of challenges. We can turn our dreams into reality. Principle 5: Stay motivated. Finally, Principle 5 reminds us to stay motivated on our journey by fueling our passion, maintaining a positive attitude, and surrounding ourselves with supportive influences. We can overcome obstacles and achieve greatness. There you have it. 5 life-changing principles from Attitude is Everything by Jeff Keller. Remember, your attitude determines your altitude. So choose positivity, take control of your destiny, and watch your life soar to new heights. Thanks for joining us. Today our Illuminate pages. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more inspiring content. Until next time, keep embarrassing the power of attitude and remember the best yet to come. Signing off, Maheshwari.